guys, what's up? So I'm back with a new video and I got sent another wig from Aegyo Wigs. They are a black owned hair company and I've worked with them previously already. I showed you guys their pastel pink unit and now I got sent this Seafoam green unit. So I'm gonna do an install for all of you, and this is the wig construction on the inside, and this unit is 18 inches. So things are always a bit trickier when you have a colorful unit like this one. Even in the last video, I had to make sure that the scalp portion or the lace kind of matched my skin tone more. So I already went ahead and previously put some powder on this. And now I'm just using my Got2b glued spray. I'm just laying everything down. They also sent me a wax stick in my package. So I just went ahead and used that to lay down all the hairs while I'm trying to glue this lace down here. And I'm just going through the process that I normally do. It's not that difficult. I'm just trying to make sure that everything is melted pretty well on me, and I'm just using my blow dryer in the process. Okay, so I don't really know if I like this in a middle part, so I'm gonna try a side part for right now. But I'm gonna wet the top first. I also hope this doesn't look like it's like too far back. We're gonna just go for a totally different style today. I should have pushed this more forward because I didn't realize it would look like that. I'm gonna go for this and like kind of like a half up, half down look. Push some of this too. Okay, so I just finished trying to style this. I think I kind of messed up as far as like trying to like change the color of the lace. I should have just pushed it way far too back. So I just went ahead and did this little like hairstyle, which I haven't really done before, especially like with this hair color. I think it's really cute. You guys let me know what you think and everything. But yeah, I got this wig from Aegyo Wigs. They are a black owned hair company that I didn't even get to use everything that they sent me. They sent me a hair gel. I'm not sure if y'all can see this. They sent me an edge control, which is really, really good, by the way. It's actually pretty strong, which I like. Like, it actually lays everything down really, really well. This is what the edge control looks like. Yeah, they sent me a hair foam as well as smoothing wax stick just to smooth flyaways. Oh, I didn't even get to try this. I think you can push this. Oh yeah, oopsies. Yeah, so you can push this up and down, which I didn't even try. So I'm gonna try using this right now actually. But yeah, it comes with like a wax stick. It comes with this scalp moisturizer for like your natural hair underneath your wigs and everything. If you're like me that constantly kind of wears wigs, this is also really good. And then they sent me like the business cards. Also, they have a little hair clip right here, which I think is really, really cute. A nightcap, which I think it's improved from the last time that they sent me this. It seems a lot bigger and it just feels different. Like, it feels really nice. But I feel like this color does really fit me really well. Yeah, I'm actually shocked about how much I like this. This is an 18-inch unit, so it's still kind of curled from before at the bottom. So last time I worked with this company, they sent me a pink unit, and I actually recently dyed that unit before to like a nice, like, well, as they described, it was more of like a moody style or aesthetic, which is pretty cool. Like I bleached, or I left the two strands in the front like pink. I kind of toned it to a nice silver gray color, and then I dyed the rest of it just black, and it looks really, really cute, and the wig held up so well. Everyone's always asking me where I got it from. And let me just check the density for you guys, and let me just check on the price so I can let you guys know. Oh, by the way, this is also a lace front unit, so it's not a full lace one. Girl. So this is the Magical Girl wig in aqua. I got mine in an 18-inch. It's a 13x6 lace front. And the density is 130%. So I like this because it gives you a natural amount of hair that you would normally have if you weren't wearing a wig, which I think is really cool. Sometimes like thicker wigs, they look great on me, but especially if it's a colorful one, I'd rather have less hair just because it looks too like wiggish. This looks a lot better, I feel like, just because there is less hair going on. It just feels more natural on me and it's not too weighted. So you have the option of either getting lace front or full lace. That's really up to you. And the color is a seafoam green / turquoise depending on the lighting. Lace color is transparent. It includes elastic bands and clips. I didn't use that for this just because I got a cap size small for me and it kind of fits me just perfectly. So the price of this wig from everything that I got is $459 even. If I have a code below, or if they give me a code, I'm gonna put it below for you guys. Yes, they're on the pricier side, but as I said before, the quality is really, really good for what you're paying. Yeah, you are getting a pre-plucked unit. It's custom dyed, custom plucked, everything. Like everything is pretty much already styled for you and ready to go. You pretty much just have to kind of put it on, like make sure that it kind of matches your scalp color, everything like that. I didn't have to pluck this wig at all. I didn't have to do anything extra like I usually do with my wigs. And so for it even being 18 inches, I think it's just a really good look. If you're like me, I'm sure that you guys will like it. I definitely do. And I think it looks really good on my skin tone as well. I don't know, this is my second time working with them. I've just had really good experiences with this company. I don't get to really work with that many Black owned hair companies. This is my first one. The fact that I get to work with them again is just really awesome. And they do have really good quality products. I wouldn't be making this video if I didn't. Yeah, I don't know. I just really, really like the color. I just chose this because I haven't done teal in a really long time. Yeah, anything else about this wig? I love how soft it is. I love how it smells. I don't know what they washed this unit with, but it just smells so freaking good. Yeah, I hope that you guys like the styling of this wig. I hope that you guys got to see how the site has changed, how the products that they're giving you has also changed. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope that you guys liked it. Be sure to go ahead and follow Aegyo Wigs on Instagram, on their social medias, everything. I've been seeing more people wearing their wigs recently, which is really awesome to see. I love that so much. And I feel like the owner, Jade, she does a great job on these. I feel like she really does put her effort into these so much. The color, everything, the packaging, everything is just amazing. And so I am really proud of her and I love her work. What a perfect time to have a video like this for Black History Month. It's exciting and I just want to work with more Black owned companies from here on out. I think that's just, it's been such a great experience for me, and so hopefully I can do this again. I hope that you guys like this video and I love you guys and I will talk to you later. Bye.